The next numerical. Two companies have shares of 7% at 116 and 9% at rupees 145 respectively. In which of the shares would the investment be more profitable? The word here profitable means, what do we have to find out? For the same investment in these two type of shares, which will give us more income, more annual income, more dividend. For the same investment, the company which gives more dividend is more profitable. So, company A and company B, share D is 7% in here, D percent is 9%. Here nominal value is 100. Here also nominal value is taken as 100. It's not given, but it is assumed. Market value is 116. Market value is 145. This is given. These are all given. Now, let investment be rupees X. For both the cases, let investment be rupees X, because for the same investment which will give me more profit, that is more profitable. Therefore, number of shares is investment by market value. Here number of shares is investment by market value. Now you have to find the annual income. What is annual income? Number of shares, that is A, into D percent, 7 by 100 into nominal value 100. So I get 7x by 116. Here what is the annual income? Annual income of A and B. Here number of shares X by 145 into 9%, 9 by 100 into nominal value 100. So I get this 9x by 145. Now we have to find which is more, 7x by 116 is more or 9x by 145 is more. How do we do? 7x by 116 and 9x by 145. Simple method, take the LCM, 116 into 145. Here this will be 6 into 145 and here it will be 9 into 116. 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 1015. Here 6 9s are 54, 54 5 9 14, and 1044 by 116 into 145. X seven x and 9x. Yes. So we find that 1044x is greater than 105. So my share B, company B, is more profitable. B is more profitable. Now what is B? B means 9% at rupees 145. 9% at rupees 145 is more profitable. This is the answer. Clear? The next question. A man invests rupees 10,080 in 6% 100 rupee shares at rupees 112. Find his annual income. When the share falls to 96, he sells out the shares and invests the proceed in 10% 10 rupee shares at rupees 8. Find the change in his annual income. Proceed means the money he received after selling the shares. What is given? Given investment 10080, D percent 6%, NV nominal value 100 rupees, market value 112 rupees. From here, can I find the number of shares? Can I find the number of shares? Yes, because investment is also given, market value is also given. So investment by market value, that is 10080 by 112, and that comes up to your 90 shares. So the number of shares is 90. Now what is the annual income? Annual income is number of shares into D percent, 6 by 100 into nominal value 100. So 6 9s are 54, 540. Your annual income now is 540. They asked you find his annual income. The annual income is 540. Now the second part. Case 2. When the share falls to 96, that means the market value is 96. He sells out the shares. How many shares he had? He had 90 shares. The number of shares what he had is 90 shares, and he sold out these shares. So amount received on selling is 96 into 90, that is your 96 are 54, 0, 96 are 50, 99 are 81, 8650. 96 are 54, 96 are 54, 8640. Yes, so this 8640 becomes the investment, because this amount he buys in, he uses in buying these shares. So investment is 8640, D percent is 10%, nominal value is 10 rupee, market value is rupees 8. I will not take 96 because he is buying this amount. Now what is the annual income? Annual income in this case will be the number of shares. Okay, I will find the number of shares. Number of shares is 8640 by 8, 1080. The number of shares is 1080. Therefore, the income is number of shares is 1080, D percent 10 by 100 into nominal value 10. So he receives the annual income as 1080. Initially he got 540. Now this is 1080. The question is find the change in his annual income. Therefore, change is 1080 minus 540, which is equals to rupees 540. Therefore, the change in the annual income is 540. Clear? Next question. A man bought 360 10 rupee shares paying 12% premium. He sold them when the price rose to rupees 21 and invested the proceeds in 5 rupee shares, paying 4.5% per annum interest at rupees 3.5 per share. Find the annual change in his income. Annual change in the income means we have to find the income in first case and income in second case, and then we have to find the difference. So case 1 and case 2, here man bought 360, that means number of shares is 360, 10 rupee shares, nominal value is 10, paying 12% premium. What do you mean by paying 12% premium? Here 12%, paying 12% premium means D percent is 12%. Don't confuse at premium. If they say at premium, that means it is related with the market price. But when they are saying they are paying 12%, that means it is D percent and not related with the market value. Please note this. Therefore, the annual income in this case will be number of shares is 360 into D percent means 12 by 100 into nominal value is 10. 0, 0, 0, 0, 12, 6 are 72, 72, 12, 36, 743, 432. The annual income in case 1 is 432. Now, case 2, what said? He sold the shares. That means here N is 360. Sold the shares when it has rose to 21 rupees. That means what is the amount received on selling? Amount received on selling is 360 into 21, 36 into 21. 756. 756. 7560. Clear? So this becomes the investment. Investment is 7560 and he is investing this at 5 rupee shares. That means nominal value is 5 at 4.5%. That means D percent is 9 by 2%. At 3.5, that means market value is 3.5. Yes, so this is his investment, nominal value this. Now what is the number of shares he bought? The number of shares is investment by market value, which is equals to 7560 by 3.5, which is equal to 75600 by 35, 5 sevens, 515, 75. 15120. 7 will go into this. 7 2s are 14. 7 14 14. 7 1s are 7 7. Yes, 2160. That means the number of shares he bought is 2160 shares. The number of shares he bought is 2160. Now we have to find the annual income. Annual income is number of shares into D percent, that is 9 by 200 into nominal value is 5. 5 40s done. 4 5s are 20. 20 4 54. So we got here is 54 into 9. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. 45 486. So the annual income is 486. The annual income is 486. Now we have to find the change in income. Change in income. income in case 1 was rupees 432 and income in case 2 is rupees 486. Therefore, change in income is 486 minus 432 is rupees 454. This is your answer. The change in income is rupees 54. Clear? A person invests rupees 4368 and buys certain 100 rupee shares, at rupees 91. He sells out some shares worth rupees 2400. Please note this word, worth rupees 2400, when they have risen to rupees 95, and the remainder when they have fallen to rupees 85. Find the gain or loss in total transaction. What do you mean by worth 2400? That means he has sold some shares with nominal value, number of shares with nominal value. I will explain it when we do it. Case 1, a person investment is 4368 and buys certain 100 rupee shares. So I do not know the number of shares, but nominal value is 100 and market value is 91. Yes, therefore number of shares he had, what I by market value, investment by market value is 4368 by 91. 7 will go 13 times. 7 6 are 42, 7 2s are 14, 7 4s are 28, 13 will go, 13 4s are 56, 48. Yes, the number of shares originally he had was 48 shares. When he invested this money, he had with him 48 shares. Now, case 2. He has sold some shares worth rupees 2400. What do you mean by worth 2400? That means one thing what we have understood is called proceeds. Proceeds means number of shares into market value. That is what we have done. Proceeds or investment. Once we sell the shares, that is known as proceeds, and when we invest that is called investment. So proceeds are always related with market value. And worth, when say worth, this is the number of shares into nominal value. This is the basic difference here. When they say worth, it is related with nominal value, and when they say proceed, that is with market value. Please note this. So here they said worth rupees 2400. That means if it is 2400, then number of shares, let it be n, and nominal value in this case was 100. The nominal in this case was 100. Therefore, number of shares is 2400 by 100, which is 24. Therefore, on selling 2400, he has sold 24 shares. On and selling 24 shares, he got 2400 rupees. Okay, again I once again repeat, worth is related with nominal value, proceeds is related with the market value. So he has sold certain shares and got 2400. That means with nominal value 100, he has sold 24 shares to get this. Now he has sold this when the market value has come to 91. So he has sold this in 91. So what is the amount received? Amount received on selling, this is 91 into 24. So 91 into 24, how much is that? Sorry, here it is market value is 95 when they have risen to 95, not 91, when they have risen to 95. So the amount received is 95 into 24. Amount received on selling 95 into 24 is 2280. Clear? Again, is this part clear regarding proceeds and worth? Now, case 3. Originally he had 48 shares, out of which he sold 24 shares. Therefore, remaining shares is how much? 48 minus 24 is 24 shares. 48 shares which he had originally, and then he sold 24 shares to get 2400. So the remaining shares is 2400, and this he sold when the market value falls to rupees 85. When the market value falls to rupees 85. Therefore, amount received on selling, that is your proceed, is 85 into 24. 85, 5 4s 8 5s 40, 8 2s are 16, is 0 2040. 2040. Clear? Now we have to find the gain or so. What is the total amount received on selling? Total amount received on selling is 2280 plus 2040. 2280 plus 2040, 0234320. Total amount received on selling is 4320. And what was his investment? His investment was 4360. So investment was 4368, amount received is 4320. Is it loss or profit? He has invested 4368 and he has got 4320. That means it is a loss of how much loss? 4368 minus 4320, which is 48. Loss of rupees 48. So answer is loss of rupees 48. Is it clear? If you have any doubts, please comment on the box. I will reply you back. Okay, thank you.